Hello, we have triangle ABD, triangle ECD, triangle ACE-ACB. These are the various triangles that we have. And we are asked to find the angle mark X in them. So the mark here shows that the triangle ECD is equilateral. This mark also shows that triangle AEC is also an isosceles. Okay, so we can see there is no value given, but we can be able to use the properties of equilateral triangle to find the missing sides, which is going to give us 60 degrees. So now let's begin with that property. So let's say, so since we are taking the triangle ECD as an equilateral triangle, we can see that there are angles. Let's describe this. The angle CED will be equals to this angle, which will be ECD, which will also be equals to this angle EDC, and they all be equals to 60 degrees. So this is 60, 60, 60. Alright, so the moment this angle is known as 60, we can find this obtuse angle here as angles on a straight line. So let's begin with that. We can say that 60 degrees, which we have already described here, this very angle, plus this angle, which will be AEC, AEC, this angle, if I add the two, I should get 180. Angles on a straight line. We already know angles on a straight line add up to what? 180. So I will be finding this angle as angle AEC equals to 180 minus the 60 degrees. Since we are subtracting 16 from both sides. So this will be fast forward equals to 120 degrees. So we know here as 120, we can find here easily, right? So since this ACE or AEC is a triangle, which is what? Isosceles, their base angles will also be equal. So in this case, I can say angle EAC is equals to the angle ECA. Let me label that as what? Y. So if this is Y, this is Y. Using the same properties, that says that the sum of angles in a triangle add up to what? 180. We can see that Y plus Y plus 120 will give us 180. That will be the sum of angles in a triangle also add up to 180. So now this becomes 2 of the Y, that's 2Y, plus 120 equals to 180 degrees. Don't forget we subtract this. So 2Y will be 180 minus 120. So fast forward, your 2Y will be equals to, I believe, that will be 60 degrees, right? So now let's divide both sides by 2 in order to know what Y is going to be. That will be a 30 degrees. But if Y is 30 degrees, don't forget here will be 60. We know it here. Here will be 30. So another angles on a straight line will also give us 180. So from this, we can say that angles on a straight line also add up to 180. We have already described this angle, so we can write the 60 degrees. We describe this angle as we have here as 30 degrees. Then the x will give us 180 degrees. This will be 90. So x plus 90 degrees will be equals to 180. We can subtract 9 from both sides. So x will be 180 minus what? 90 degrees. Therefore, x is going to be and 90 degrees. So this is what you get if you were to find the value of x. I believe you follow from the beginning to the end. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Bye bye.